So once again, good evening all. Once again, welcome to Aifer Paper 1 mini course. In the past few days, we were discussing. Hello all, once again, welcome to Aifer Paper 1 mini course. In the past few days, we were discussing different topics from our UGC NTA NET Paper 1 syllabus. And I hope your preparation is going in a full-fledged manner. As of now, we have around 15 days before the exam. So the upcoming 15 days are the, what we can say, the deciding 15 days. I will say the deciding 15 days, which means the whole result will be decided in the next 15 days, or next 15 days is very crucial for the upcoming exam. So you will be having a confusion that what's the importance of the last 15 days. Since we have a lot of topics coming under paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus, we have a vast topic coming under this. Can we make any specific change or significant impact on the last 15 days? Let me tell you, when considering those students who have attended the exam and were unable to qualify, most of them missed the JRF or the net mark by around 2 or 3% marks. Okay, so 3% marks means 5 questions. It's an and marks, 4.5, basically 5 questions. So the importance of the next 2 weeks or the last 15 days that you have to revise as much as topics as possible. You have to study as much topics as possible, and definitely it will play a crucial role. It will play a crucial role in getting you some extra marks, maybe some 4 questions extra, 5 questions extra, or 10 questions extra. That will definitely finally help you in preparing for this particular exam. So don't underestimate the power of last 15 days. It may have the power of fetching you 2 or 3% marks more, which will definitely help you to qualify this particular exam. So we were discussing different topics from mathematical reasoning. We have discussed percentage, we have discussed average. I hope the concepts are clear, and if you are yet to watch those videos, make sure you subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel. Okay, and also you press the bell icon, and you can watch, after watching this video, you can watch the previous videos also. It's available in our channel. Okay, it's available in the channel. So today I will be discussing another important topic from mathematical reasoning, that is ratio and proportion. It's another important topic. It's another crucial topic. So because while discussing about maths, I have told you there are 2 sets of major topics in maths. Firstly, we have average, percentage and ratio. Then I talked about profit and loss, interest and discount, and time and distance. Okay, average, profit, average, okay, percentage and ratio. These 2 sets are very important from an examination viewpoint. The reason is that most of the normally you can expect 1 or 2 questions from these 3 topics in under mathematical reasoning, as well as normally 60 to 70 or in some cases 90% or 100% of the data interpretation questions were asked from this particular concepts, whether it's from the average or it's from the percentage or the ratio. And these 3 are entirely new topics which was introduced in UGC NTA NET syllabus from the latest syllabus change or the last syllabus change, which occurred in 2019 January onwards. So a lot of questions are being asked, and within that, in the recent exam, more questions are being asked from profit and loss. There are some questions from interest and discounting also. A question from time and distance is comparatively less in the recent exam. Previously it was not like that. Maybe in the future exam there may be a shift in the pattern. Okay, so out of this first set, we have already discussed average and percentage, and next we have to discuss about ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion is another crucial topic that comes under our syllabus. So I hope you know what is ratio and what is proportion. But basically, a ratio is something when we will be denoting by 6 by 3, or we would have studied in our school life as P by Q. Okay, fractional numbers. Okay, 6 by 3. And normally, when it comes to our UGC NTA NET, 3 types of questions are being asked from ratio and proportion. And the first type of question is, there will be an existing ratio, a particular number will be added to that ratio, and there will be a new ratio, and they may asking the question about what is the original numbers. Bit confused? Don't worry, I will show you the question. Okay, so this is a question. Two numbers. Okay, yeah. Two numbers in the ratio 2:3 when 15 added to both numbers ratio becomes 7:9. What are the original numbers? What are the original numbers? So this is the first type of question that is usually being asked in mathematical reasoning under the topic ratio and proportion. So let's try to do the question. So firstly, they have given a ratio 2:3. So first of all, what we will be doing, we will be writing it as we have 2:3, which can be written as 2/3. And understand, we can't directly add a number to the ratio because 2/3 may be equal to 2/3, 20/30, 4/6, any number. So what we will be doing, we will be writing 2:3 as 2/3. Then we will be writing it as 2x/3x, so as to add the number that has been given in the question. So as per the question, 15 is added to both numbers. As per the question, 15 is added to both numbers. So we'll be having 2x plus 15 by 3x plus 15 is equal to, okay, 2x plus 15 by 3x plus 15 is equal to, what's the new ratio? The new ratio is 7:9, 7/9. Then we'll be cross multiplying and solving the equation. So we'll be having 9 into 2x plus 15 is equal to 7 into 3x plus 15. So we have it as 18x plus, okay, 9 into 2x, 18x. Okay, then we have 9 into 15, 135 is equal to 21x plus 105. This is plus 105. 105. So next we will be doing x to same side. 21x minus 18x is equal to, yeah, 135 minus 105. So we have 3x is equal to 30. Okay, 3x equal to 30, from which we will be having x is equal to 30/3 is equal to 10. So we have x is equal to 30/3, that is equal to 10. Now the question is, what are the original numbers? Okay, what are the original numbers is the question. So we have the original numbers are 2/3, 2:3, or 2x and 3x. So we have the original numbers are 2x and 3x, that is equal to 2 into 10, that is equal to 20, and 3 into 10, that is equal to 30. Okay, that is equal to 30. So we'll be having the original numbers as 20 and 30, 20 and 30. So this will be the way we will be doing the first type of questions that comes under ratio and proportion. I hope it's clear. Give you, okay. So this is a first type of question, ratio and proportion. Okay, so what we will be doing, they will be giving you a ratio, a particular number will be added, we will be changing the ratio is to 2:3, 2/3, that is 2x/3x, we will be adding 15, 2x plus 15 by 3x plus 15, which equals 7/9, we will be cross multiplying and we will be getting the answer as 3x is equal to 30, that is x is equal to 10, and we will be having the original number as 30. Okay, we will be having the original number as 30. So I hope it's clear. Then moving to the next question. I will give you a same type of question that you have to do. Yeah, I hope this is clear. Yeah, I will show you a same type of question. Yeah, try to do the question. It's given in the screen. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, their ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. Okay, we have two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, their ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. This is a question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. Try to do the question the similar way as we have done the previous one. Okay, a ratio, a particular ratio. Yeah, let's try to do. Yeah, it's not the same question, is it? We have 2:5, which can be written as 2/5. That is equal to 2x by 5x. We have 16 being added. 2x plus 16 by 5x plus 16 is equal to 1/2. Then we will be cross multiplying the numbers. We have 2x 2 into 2x plus 16 is equal to 1 into 5x plus 16. So we have 4x plus 32 is equal to 5x plus 16. X one side we have 5x plus 4x is equal to 32 minus 16. We have x is equal to 16. We will be having x is equal to 16. So it's an easy one. We have x is equal to 16. We have to find the initial numbers. We have it as 2x and 5x. That is equal to 2 into 16 is equal to 32. 5 into 16 is equal to 80. Okay, 5 into 16 is equal to 80. So we have 2 into 2x plus 16 is equal to. So initially they have given the ratio as 2:5. So we have 2/5 plus 2x by 5x. We'll be adding 16 to x plus 16 by 5x plus 16 is equal to 1/2. We'll be cross multiplying 2 into 2x plus 16 is equal to 1 into 5x plus 16, from which we have 4x plus 32 is equal to 5x plus 16, from we'll be solving and we'll be having x is equal to 16. Okay, we have x is equal to 16. So we have 32 and 80. Option A is a correct answer for this particular question. Okay, option A is a correct answer for this particular question. So I hope it's clear. Okay, any doubts? Yeah, directly there is a ratio, adding the number, substituting. So I will show you one more question. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll try to do another question. Yeah, here there is a small change. We have already done two additions. So there is a small change. There is a subtraction type of question. So it's given two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If none is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio become 12:23. The numbers are. Okay, here we have two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If none is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio become 12:23. What are the numbers? I'll give you the numbers. Okay. Yeah, try to do the question and give me the answer. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If none is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio become 12:23. The numbers are. Okay, now we'll try to do. We have two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. So we have, 3:5, which comes around 3/5. That is equal to 3x by 5x. It's given nan is subtracted from the numbers. Here there is a subtraction. Nan is subtracted from both numbers. Minus nan by minus nan is equal to new ratio is 12 by 23. Okay, 12 by 23. So we'll be cross multiplying the numbers. We have 23 into 3x minus nan is equal to 12 into 5x minus 9. Okay, we have 23 into 3x minus 9 is equal to 12 into 5x minus 9. So we'll be cross multiplying. We have 2 into 16 and x minus 207 is equal to 60x minus, we have 108. We'll be solving it as 16 and x minus 60x is equal to 207 minus 108, which gives you 9x is equal to 99, which gives x is equal to 99 by 9, that is equal to 11. So it's a comparatively easier one. We have the ratio as 3:5, which can be written as 3/5, which we can again write as 3x by 5x minus 9 by minus 9, that is 3x minus 9 by 5x minus 9, which equals 12 by 23. We'll be cross multiplying the numbers. 23 into 3x minus 9 is equal to 12 into 5x minus 9. Solving the equation, we will be having x is equal to 11 as a correct answer. X is equal to 11 as a correct answer. Let's know the answer for the question. The question is regarding the numbers are. Okay, what are the numbers are? So we have the initial numbers are 3x and 5x. So we have 3 into 11 is equal to 33 and 5 into 11 is equal to 55. We have 33 and 55. Option D, 33 and 55 will be the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, so I hope it is clear. It's basically an easy question. And we are moving to the last question of ratio and proportion, which is a small change in the pattern. Okay. In the initial few questions, we have discussed about direct addition, and the final one we have discussed about subtraction, and this is another question. All these questions are previous questions. Okay, all these questions are previous question. Try to do this question. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. What is it? Okay, try to do the question. It's not exactly the same as we have done the past few questions, but there is a small change. Try to read the question. It's given a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Okay, find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture is a question. Okay, try to do. Yeah, I will try to do. Here again, it starts with the same pattern we have. Okay, we have 4:3, which comes around 4x by 3x. And the only difference is in the past one, when we have an addition, we have added to both, and the second one we have added subtracted from both. But here there is alcohol and water. So this is alcohol and this is water. 5 liters of water is added. 5 is not added to the both numbers, or 5 liters of liquid is not added to the both what we can say alcohol and water. Instead, only 5 liters of water is added. So we'll be having 4x by 3x plus 5 equals the new ratio. What is the new ratio? We have the new ratio as 4:5. So we will not be adding 5 in the numerator. The reason is numerator we are denoting the alcohol, and it's specifically mentioned in the question there is an addition of 5 liters of water alone, not an addition of alcohol. So now we will be solving in the same way. 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Cross multiplying, we have 5 into 4x equals 4 into 3x plus 5. So we have 20x equals 12x plus 20, from which we will be having 8x is equal to 20, from which we will be having x is equal to 2.5. So we will be having x is equal to 2.5. Question is not over. It specifically asks the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. What's the quantity of alcohol? So we have alcohol is a ratio of 4, alcohol is 4x. So we have quantity of alcohol. Okay, we have quantity of alcohol as 4x, that is equal to x is 2.5, 4 into 2.5, that is equal to 10 will be the correct answer. Okay, we'll be having 10 as a correct answer for this particular question. So I hope it's clear. We have discussed the first type of question in the ratio and proportion method. We have some other types also, which we'll be discussing in the next day, in the next set of videos. And so as to make sure you get all the videos from Aifer Education, and also we have already a lot of videos in our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel and press the bell icon, share with your friends. That's it. Thank you.